keeps me alive, and the sparkle in your eyes keeps me alive, keeps me alive. And sure in her you'll find the sanctuary, and sure in her you'll find the sanctuary.
Hi guys, Mr Ottesen here. I'm going to talk you through some drums, grade 2 Trinity drums. I've recorded the song She Sells Sanctuary, which got to number 15 in the charts for The Cult back in 1985, May 1985. So I'm just going to chat about it a little bit, go over some of the things that you might need to know about in the song. And then there's a video of me playing it through, so you can see me playing it. So first things to look at here, it's a rock style, and it's 116 BPM, so a moderate tempo. It's got a 2-bar count in, that's something to think about. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then on the 4th beat of that 2nd bar of count in, there's a flam on the snare drum. And then it's into the song. Now for a grade 2 piece, this is fairly standard, it's fairly simple. It's got just a straight rock beat, bass drums on the 1 and 3, snare drums on the 2 and 4, with 8th note hi-hats running pretty much throughout. A crash at the beginning of pretty much each 4-bar phrase. It's going down to a crash on each 8-bar phrase in the verse. And at the end of each 4-bar phrase or 8-bar phrase in the verse, there is a snare drum fill. Now the snare drum fills are they're made up of quavers and semiquavers, and they vary as you go through the song. But most of them are just quaver and 2 semiquavers starting on the 4th beat of the bar. That happens quite a lot. The other one that happens a fair amount is on the 3rd beat of the bar. There's a bass drum and a hi-hat on the 3rd beat of the bar, and then 2 semiquavers, then quaver, 2 semiquavers, which sounds like this. You'll hear when I'm playing, there would be 1, 2, 3, like that. Da 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 da. Okay, but you'll hear me playing that as we go through the song. It pretty much does that for most of the song, which is quite nice. So you can really just got to concentrate on the locking into the groove and playing it with a nice sustained feel all the way through. It's played fairly loud. It's got an F at the beginning, which means forte, so that's loud for your dynamic markings. The next thing that happens that is really different to that is in the breakdown at bar 41. It goes down to just hi-hats and bass drums, 4 to the floor bass drums. And then at the at bar 48 is probably the main kind of moment of the song from a kind of a drum solo kind of perspective, which is a fill, drum solo fill, and it's made up of flams and bass drums, and it's 8th notes apart from the very last note, which is a quarter note, and it's flam bass bass flam bass bass flam. Okay, so flam bass bass flam bass bass flam. Again, you'll hear me playing it in the video. And then the only other thing really is for the outro, it has a little fill using the crashes, a little pushed fill, syncopated fill, and you'll hear me playing that. But that's the only other thing to look out for really. So the main things in this song: keep it really solid in the groove. Look out for the breakdown. Look out for that big fill. Make sure you get the crashes in. and get your snare fills in at the end of each bar. Okay, enjoy playing it, and here's the video of me playing it. Thanks, see you later.